When cells stop dividing, no more repairs. You start aging. When we're young, our bodies are like high-speed repair machines. One day, a girl is running through the park, full of energy. But suddenly, she trips and scrapes her knee. It looks small, but beneath the surface, something incredible begins. Cells around the injury start dividing, copying themselves to replace the damaged ones. Within days, the wound begins to heal. It's like a factory. Whenever something breaks, workers rush in, repair the damage, and keep everything running. But those workers can't work forever. Over time, some cells stop dividing and enter a state called cellular senescence. They're still alive, but no longer helping with repairs. As more of these cells build up, fewer workers are available. And that's when things begin to change. The same girl, now older, starts using glasses. Her joints feel weaker. She needs support. Even opening a jar takes effort. Hearing fades. Movement slows. So what's behind all this? Part of the answer lies in structures called telomeres, found at the ends of chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, these telomeres get shorter, like a countdown. Eventually, they become too short, and the cell can no longer divide. Now, when damage happens, repair slows down. Cuts take longer to heal. Joints become stiff or painful, and the body begins to show signs of aging. But here's the exciting part. Scientists are working on ways to slow this process and even reverse parts of it. From protecting telomeres to removing inactive cells to boosting repair. Because even right now, billions of tiny cells are working non-stop to keep you going. And the future? Aging might not be as final as we once thought.